Imagine, if you will, a dirty, dingy carport garage cabinet made from splintered plywood. You wouldn't store anything of value inside of it, but for me, this is where I lived for a number of months, trying to make it on my own. It's what I recall as my first defining moment. We all have these defining moments in life where we have a hard choice or a lasting decision to make. We are presented with an opportunity, and these opportunities can derive from moments of positive change. Often, they are a result of something more challenging. It is in these challenging times where we must learn to rise to the occasion of a defining moment. For many, it is accepting the challenge of empowerment through entrepreneurism to ensure all of your effort and commitment directly benefit you and those you love.
Well, I spent a lot of years running other people's businesses.
I get to set my own schedule and make a difference in other people's lives. It's been an excellent experience.
If ever you are on the fence on whether to go to franchise, I'm here to tell you this is the one for you.
It means never having to hear, "We're eliminating your position." Never again missing out on a promotion. To take a chance and bet on yourself. But now is not the time to wait for your defining moment. Now is the time to create it. Come and join others who, like you, were no longer willing to wait for their time and decided to create their own defining moment. Join us and create your defining moment with Garage Experts.